Hi everyone. In previous videos, I explained the general rules of derivatives. In addition, I explained the derivative of trigonometric functions, logarithmic functions, and exponential functions. In this video, I will solve more problems applying the different rules of derivative. So I will solve some problems. Let's start with the y equal minus 2x power 3 over root 3x minus 5. So before we start solving this problem, I would like to change that rule to a power. So this will be like minus 2x cubed over 3x minus 5, and that square root I can write it as half. So here we'll apply the quotient rule. Y prime is equal to the derivative of the top, which is minus 6x squared multiplied by the bottom 3x minus 5 to power half, minus the top function as it is minus 2x cubed multiplied by the derivative of the bottom function, which is 1/2 3x minus 5 1/2 minus 1 multiplied by the derivative of this function, which is 3, over the square of the bottom function. So it's 3x minus 5 half all square. So this I can simplify it. Minus 6x squared, I can change this to square root since it's half. 3x minus 5 minus times minus is plus. This 2 cancel this 2, I can write that 3 2 into x cube or square, this is square, and multiplied by 3x minus 5 into power 1/2 minus 1 is minus half over 3x minus 5, and that power half multiplied by that 2, they cancel each other. So here we'll have just power 1, and this is the derivative for that function. Let's solve one problem. Y equal 2x minus 2 divided by 5 plus x squared, and all have a power 3. So the derivative y prime is equal to, I will apply the power rule for the outside function, which is 3 2x minus 2 over 5 plus x squared, and that power 3 I can minus 1, so it will be 2 multiplied by the derivative of the inside function. So here, since we have division, so I'll apply the quotient rule, which is the derivative of the top function 2 multiplied by the bottom 5 plus x squared minus the top function 2x minus 2 multiplied by the derivative of the bottom function, which is 2x, over the square of the bottom function 5 plus x squared all into square. I have another example. Y equal 2x minus 1 to power 4 multiplied by x cubed minus a to power 2. So here we have two functions multiplied by each other. So we'll apply the product rule. Y prime is equal to the derivative of the first function, which is 4 into 2x minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3, multiplied by the derivative of the inside function 2, multiplied by the second function as it is x cubed minus 8, plus the first function as it is 2x minus 1 power 4 multiplied by the derivative of the second function. So it will be multiplied by 2 multiplied by x cubed minus 8. 2 minus 1 is 1 multiplied by the derivative of the inside function, which is 3x squared. And this is the solution for that function. Another problem, y equal x squared minus 2x plus 3 divided by 2x minus 1. So we can apply here the quotient rule. Y prime is equal to the derivative of the top function, which is 2x minus 2 multiplied by the bottom function 2x minus 1, minus the top function as it is x squared minus 2x plus 3 multiplied by the derivative of the bottom function 2 over 2x minus 1 square. Another problem, y equals square root of 8x power cube minus 2x plus 5. Before we solve this problem, I would like to change that square into power. So it will be 8x cubed minus 2x plus 5 into power half. So that square root, I can change it as power half. And now we can apply the power rule of the outside function. So y prime is equal to 1/2 8x cubed minus 2x plus 5 into power half minus 1 multiplied by the derivative of the inside function. So it will be 24x squared minus 2. And this is the derivative for this function. So another problem, y equal 4 over 2 minus x squared to power 3. So here we can apply this into two ways, either to move this upward so that, and I can change the that power into minus 3, or we can apply the quotient rule. So I will solve it using the quotient rule. Y prime is equal to the derivative of the top function. So here we have 4, so its derivative is 0 multiplied by the bottom 2 minus x squared to power 3 minus the top function minus 4 over the derivative of the bottom function, which is 3 2 minus x squared, 3 minus 1 is 2 multiplied by the derivative of the inside function, which is minus 2x, all into 2 minus x squared power 3 into power square. And this is the derivative. Let's solve one more problem. I have y equal 1 over x cubed minus 3. Again, this problem we can solve it either by applying the quotient rule, or we can move this, the bottom, into numerator and change its power. So this here all has a power 1. So I can move it up, will be 1 multiplied by x cubed minus 3, and that plus 1 becomes minus. So now I can apply the power rule for this function. Y prime is equal to minus 1 x cubed minus 3 minus 1 multiplied by the derivative of the inside function, which is 3x squared. So this will be y prime equal minus 1 times 3 is minus 3 x cubed minus 3 to power minus 2 multiplied by x squared. And this is the derivative for this function. I'm Hatem Omari. Thank you for watching my video about the derivative examples. If you need me to solve any problem in math in any topic, send me a request in the comment below and I will upload the solution. If you like this video, please press like, and thank you.